This modification I had made at the end of my pipe where I originally had my here's my original unit. Starts off, comes off the tub, comes up. You have the valve, the sensor. Pipe comes down, goes around, down, through 60 feet of pipe, and when it comes back, previously I had my spigot there, but because I needed the water above where the valve was, I ended up putting the spigot up high, right there, and then I can drain off of it. So this actually gets me above what the valve is, allowing me to simulate. That's where it was before.